Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Edney and we're gonna get straight into today's vlog. So I'm gonna be unboxing my large patent black shopping bag by Telfar from Telfar, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys what fits in this bag. So enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so that every time I post, you'll be notified.
You know finish them on fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me good in my fantasy. You want they check if my dad be no wrong. But it they rush forever and it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. Time on you be touch. Yeah, it they rush forever and it be much. We be hype everybody be close. Slow down you be done. You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. I you never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me good in my fantasy. They want to check if my dad be wrong. But it they rush forever and it be more. Now gonna make my dad be the rush. If I'm money we touch. Yeah, it they rush forever and it be more.
This one I bet you the jabata. Me I no get time, the jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man we do big jabata. What's it coming? Chiva come, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? Chihuahua, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it.
Okay, so what's in my bag? I have a pair of sneakers. I have some clothes. I have my bata. I have another dress under there, right? I have some clothes for my baby right there. I have the small pattern right here. I have my camera down here. So let's see, pattern. I have my camera. I have my clothes. My stuff, my clothes, my bata and everything right there. Camera, my laptop, toiletries and everything is in here. My wallet. There we go. All right, guys. So as for my review, this bag is a 10 out of 10. It is worth the price. I could definitely say that. It is very big, roomy, and it fits a lot of stuff. And it's a perfect bag when it comes to traveling. So I think you guys should definitely invest in one. See you on the next vlog. Bye.